Now, this is how we got the average and the sum divided by the sum. Also, this is how we got it. So let me see this. Let me see this again. Can we use mean dot mean? Let's say mean. Let's say this, and let's see this how it look like. So okay, this is the mean. Can we divide the mean? Let's divide the mean by 3. Let's divide the mean by 3. Okay. Now, and okay, we have to rename here to be we have to rename it. Okay, we have to rename me to mean. Okay. Now let's see our df. The df is still loading. Wow. So our df is still loading. Now it has loaded. Now, okay. Now I will drop. We want to drop dot drop. We want to drop the column. Drop column. Please, I'm taking my time to teach you. And when you are working on your own, I want you to get a good result more than this, okay? Please,
No.
more than this. I, I want you to do more than this. Not just what I taught you in class, but I want you to do extra.
Voila. See how it goes.
So, oh, sorry, sorry, average sum, average sum. So I'm drawing a column, the average sum. Okay. Now this is mean dropping the average sum. We have gotten the mean, and let's divide the mean by 3. So let's divide the mean by 3, and we are going to say, mm, now let's divide the mean. Coming, we are going to, okay, now let's say average sum. Average sum, df, and we are going to say average sum, and we are going to say df dot mean, and let's see our mean. Okay, capital letter M, mean. Okay, divided by 3. Let's divided by 3. So let's run it. So we are waiting for our results. So we are waiting. We are waiting for the results, and this is it. And let's see our DF. Hello, are you in class? Hope you are in with me.
I'm here.
Hello.
Yeah, I'm here.
So our mean did not work. Okay, and I have to I have to drop. We have to drop average sum. So we have to drop average sum, and we have to drop our mean. So we have dropped our mean, and we, okay. I'm coming. I'll say df, okay, and run it. Now I'll drop this again. Now, okay, now we are working with this now. I will declare df again. Okay, And I'm coming.
Hello.
Yes, I'm with you. I'm with you. Okay. Just
Mm,
okay. Now this is our data, and let's see. Let's use the average sum again. Okay. I'm just trying to play through and whether we can arrive the to the desired result which I want us to arrive. So we are going to use the average sum. Average sum. And I want you to, if you find it difficult to understand, please watch the YouTube video and go back again so that you have a good knowledge of it. Okay.
yeah, sure.
And I know our class is not like this due to the network. When so, uh, okay, okay. Now, so we want to grade them. We are going to grade them. We are going to grade them using a condition. We are going to grade them with a condition. And this condition is this is some. Okay, this is our condition for grading. We are going to say watch me as I perform this condition, and we are going to create a column called df, and we are going to name it grade. So we are going to say equal to df plus sum. Okay. Okay, now we are going to pass a condition. We are going to say where we are going to call our np dot where, and we are going to say df. Then we are going to use this condition less than 50, comma, and we have fee and pass. We are going to say fee and pass. I hope you understand this condition. This is us using this comprehension,
So
this
anything
comprehension
less
method.
than 50, the person should fail, right? That's the condition.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Now we want to run it, and now let's see our final result. So this is our. I hope you have seen it.
Yeah.
So this is our final result. This is the grading method. Okay, now you can visualize. You can visualize it, and you can visualize your results. So now, okay, okay. I believe we have worked on visualization. Now there is a other way we can select. Now we can select columns. So I want to teach you how we can select columns. Now we want to select all the columns. Now we are using this method, and this method you can use it for arrangement. Now we want to pick our we want to work with the gender and average, gender and average. Okay, average. So we are going to select it like this: gender, comma, and average, average sum. So this is how we select, and group by group by two columns. So okay, and square bracket, group by two square bracket. So this is it, and now this is our average sum. Now let's visualize it, and let me declare the variable name. Okay, I'll name it grouping by grouping by grouping by. Okay, or group. How we can okay, or we can use a selection. So if we did not name it selection, we have you might be confused. We have the group by and we have the selection method. Okay, so this is how we select. Okay, and so this is it. Now, so since we want to visualize, you can visualize with dot plot. We are going to plot it. So I want you to do a research on how you can do more plotting method. Okay.
Okay.
Now we are going to now this is it, and okay, we are going to plot a head. It look rough. Why? Because we did not select the head we are using. So tick selection. We are going to select the head of what we are using. We are going to say head of 5, head of 4. Okay. Now we'll come here, we'll copy our selection. Let's
Someone,
see this.
someone says,
Sir,
hello. Yeah. So this table now,
I
can
can
you
hear you.
can you copy it? Like if you are doing something, you want to paste it there. Can you do it? Or
Hello?
did you hear what I said?
I'm not hearing you.
I said the
No,
the bar
no,
charts.
no.
You can't copy it.
Yes, you can copy it, you can save it, okay? But it's I think um you can save it though, but in terms of visualization, it's not really good to use. It's not presentable, okay? More presentable, unlike we use um, um, Power BI, okay? And I want
Okay.
you to know that when you use Power BI, your work would look nice. Okay, so you can present with, you can analyze your data and visualize inside your Python code. I want you to always work with Python. Um, okay, I'm coming. I want you to work with Python. When you are working with Python code, visualize inside your Python code. Okay,
Okay. So, like for example, now,
okay,
like what I'm trying to ask, for example, if you are doing a research, you understand, then you are like doing the experiments. So how do you like if you want to include this in your research, how do you copy this, like this
yes.
table or this bar charts? Can you or you can't?
You can save it. You can save it. You can save it as a picture format. Okay,
Oh,
then you can copy your picture to your research
okay,
work. Okay,
okay. Now I get it.
and also yes, you can save it. You can, all this data we analyze, I can save it. You will see how I'm going to save the final result which we did this last time when we graded them. Okay, you are going to see how I'm going to save it. I'm saving it. It will be on my desktop. Okay, I'm going to save it and you see it. Okay,
Okay,
now when you are writing research, you have three ways of presenting. First of all, your code, your Google Colab. When you give us your code of what you analyze, your visualization of your Python code using the Seaborn Matplot, and your Power BI, you will give us your visualization of how you visualize it, and also your written documents. You have to write them, explain them in details, and recommend. If you feel like to add pictures, you can add picture by saving your charts. Okay.
okay.
Okay. Now this is bar charts, and I'm using an add of 4, and we are going to see histogram. I'm going to show you everything you need to know, and so that's why I'm taking my time. Histogram, and we are going to see line graph, and this is line graph, and we are going to see pie charts. We are going to see pie. So this is so this is pie. Okay, we could not work with it because we do not assign multiple column. So we have successfully concluded this Python analysis, data for analysis, and you are moving next to your project. So I want to save this work, then visualize so that you will see it
Yeah, sure.
you see how save it. Okay, then
Uh,
when I visualize it, and you will see how we visualize it. So this is our last class for Python for data analysis advanced training. Okay, and
no
next
problem.
is your project, and your project is two projects. The first project, I'll give you a business data set, which you will give me the insight, the recommendation, and what you observe. And the next is a medical research, and you have to research them for me. And this will last for 2 weeks. And once I share the data set for you now, you are to submit it unfailingly Thursday, on Wednesday, unfailingly on Wednesday. Then on Thursday, we have a review session where you will defend your project. Then after your defend, I will share another project for you, still the same way. and that next upper Thursday is your final graduation. If you like to be certified, it's left for you, and that is all for this training. Okay,
Okay, no wahala.
so let's now we are going to save it like df dot pd. Okay, pd dot save to pd dot save. We're going to say to CSV to CSV CSV, and we are going to pass in our df. Okay, I'm coming. So we are supposed to use pd dot to CSV. Okay, df. Okay, it said pandas has no attributes of CSV. Am I sure if I run this? Okay, let me reload this again for us. And okay, have I passed it? Okay, now I've passed it. Okay, and we are going to save it. So I made mistake here, and sorry for that. We are going to say df dot. We are going to say save to. Then we are going to choose what we want to save it to, and CSV dot CSV, and okay, we have saved it now. Look at it. It's already in my drive. I hope you are seeing my screen.
Mm-hmm. See that.
Did you see the drive location?
Yeah.
Okay, look at it. I want to download it. Did you see where I'm pointing download?
Yeah.
So I'm downloading it. Now it will save. to my text sheet. Okay. Okay. So I'm saving it now and look at it, and I'll share my full screen for you to see. Okay. It's not easy. Okay. It's not easy. And just thank you for your time. I know we have past time. So I want to share my entire screen. So are you seeing it?
It's not in. Sure. Yeah, I can
Are
see
you
it.
seeing the entire screen?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now look at it. Look at the CSV file, right? I hope you are seeing it.
Yeah,
Did you see it?
yeah.
And let me open it on Excel. So this is it. This is what we did.
Mm-hmm.
Did you see all the data was clean?
Mm-hmm.
I hope you see it. Did you see the grading? 43 is filled. I hope you've seen it.
Mm-hmm.
So how do you see Python
It's kind of
compared
amazing.
to?
It's amazing.
It's kind of amazing.
Yeah.
Wow. Compared to using Excel to create large numbers. This is 1,000 students we create with just simple code.
Yeah.
It's amazing, right?
Yeah. It's though.
That is data analysis for you. So this is it. Automatically, every student has been graded. No partiality. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
And it's work easily. And this is you arriving to data analysis. You just arrive. You are a data scientist now because you have seen everything. So this is it. And at the beginning, the columns, we work on the columns. We have to sort the columns, sort the grades and all. So this is our final output, and then we are going to visualize. Okay?
Okay.
And I will share my screen to. Are you seeing my screen now?
Yeah.
Power BI.
Mm-hmm.
And this is Power BI. This is Power BI. So we are being introduced to Power BI now. So, and this is all you will learn. And they have a tools like Power BI, which is Tableau. And I'm not going to focus on Tableau because we only talked about advanced Python for data analysis. So we are going to see Power BI, and let me introduce you to little of Power BI. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So,
Hello.
hello.
Hello. Yeah, I'm here.
So this is Power BI, and I'm going to load the data sets, which is DF. So when we are working on Power BI, I want you to do more research, work more, work more, work more. I don't want you to focus just my what I taught you. I want you to do more research. When you work on your data, like when you work on research, you will see your achievements. So I'm connecting my data sets. I'm trying to establish it. I hope you are seeing the screen.
Mm-hmm. Are you
And this
importing the
is
data with Excel or SQL?
this is Power BI.
Yeah, I'm seeing SQL. I'm seeing import from the Excel data file.
Yes, I'm not using SQL. I'm using CSV, Excel, which is we are loading the CSV file.
Okay.
So this is it, and this is how it looks like. This is our data, our clean data. I have to look the data if it's complete. I'll look at it. It's very complete. It did not load everything because it has a lot of columns and rows. So you only produce based on the first 200 rows. So we are loading our data set. When we load it now, okay, this is the Power Query editor, and uh, it's kind of slow. I think I don't need the Power Query editor. So, uh, wow, my Power BIs are, it's kind of frustrating. It's already, okay, it has already shut down. Already shut down. Please bear with me. Let's wait for it to load. Trying to load it. That's Power BI for you. Power BI, when you are working with Power BI, when the data set is loading and you try to uh, bypass, it will forcefully close down. So why? We are taking time. Oh. I want us to conclude this, okay? Hope you are with me.
I'm here, yeah.
My Power BI, I just need to load it. Before it loads, kind of takes time to load. So let me just view to our Excel file. Mm, wow. Okay, okay. Is your Power BI on? Can you share your screen to your Power BI? Hello,
Hello.
hello, Mohammed.
Yeah, I don't have Power
Can
BI
you
right
okay
now.
now? Can you share your screen?
Did you hear what I said?
I'm not hearing you.
I said I don't have Power BI. This will
I
be
said
my
I'm
first
not
time
hearing you.
using it. Hello.
What are you saying?
I said this will be my first time using Power BI.
Yes, I'm
I,
hearing you now. What do you
I
say?
I don't have Power BI in my system. This will be my first time using it.
Okay, you have not heard about Power BI.
I've heard about it, but I've not used it yet. I've not used it yet.
Okay, so now let's wait. It's try fixing it. It's loading. It's loading. So let me share my full screen so that you see that it's progressing. Power BI, when you close it, it will take time to boot up. Okay. Did you see it's trying to load? Trying to load. Less patience. Okay. It's trying to load. Now it has already come up. So let me share my screen to it. So I have to stop sharing and share the full screen again. Okay. I have to share my Power BI. Sorry, not the full screen. Power BI. Okay. And I will have to import again. And I believe you are with me. Oh. Hello. Hello, Mohammed. It's Mohammed.
Oh, hello.
You were kind of mute for a very long time.
I mute myself. I was talking. Oh, I didn't know I'm on mute. I was saying hello, hello.
Oh, I was trying to. Why is Mohammed? Why is Mohammed?
No, I was saying
I
hello,
don't know.
hello.
You were. I don't know. You were mute. Okay, now we. I'm trying to load the CSV file. Okay, just a patience. And it's just remaining this Power BI, and we call it a day. And I hope I'm not stressing you or I'm
It's
not
the
taking
network.
too long. Huh?
I said it's the network. It's the network.
Okay, I said I hope I'm not stressing you for this long class we are holding. Hello?
Hello, yeah.
The network is breaking. Hello.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, I say your network is breaking. I'm finding it difficult to hear you. So, so I said I hope I'm not stressing you.
Is the network that is is making the class being so long?
Our data has been loaded, and this is we creating a connection. And I hope you are seeing that it's creating a connection. Then you will see on the right hand side, you will see a bar which loads data, and you see its name. The title's name is data, and all the columns we have work on we be stored there. And for let's wait for a few minutes, and you will see our data there. Okay. Hello.
Hello,
Hello. Can you hear me, Mohammed?
I can hear you now. I can hear you now.
You know, look at our data has been loaded, which is the DF, and look at it at the right hand side. So, and I'm going to visualize the data now for us to see. And now this is our area and our page layout, our page, which is page one. You can add the number of page. So we are going to analyze every data here. And normally, if I want to analyze, we use different pages and to analyze my data so that my data will be bold. But I'm using one single page. So and I want to use the text. So this is my row and column. This is my columns, which are analyzed. And so we want to,
So Moses, I'm not seeing the screen anymore. It's like the thing have froze.
I'm not hearing you.
I said I'm not seeing your screen anymore. It's I've paused in one place.
You are not seeing my screen.
Nah.
I said, look at.
Live streaming is on.
Hello?
Yes, I can hear you. So I said, look at the right hand side. You will see all my columns. Look at it. I hope you are seeing it.
The right hand side, all the columns.
Look at it. DF. Look at it where I'm pointing. Look at my direction.
Oh yeah.
Look at it now. The
Okay.
average sum, column one. These are my columns.
Okay.
You said you are not seeing it. I was kind of why are you not seeing it? Now I want to
The screen
write
was froze before. It was frozen. It wasn't moving at all.
okay, okay, no problem. So I want to write student performance, students performance. I'm writing the title. Okay, so I have to increase it. It's just like your this is just like your Microsoft Word formatting. Okay, so don't be confused about it. This is the formatting method, just like your just like your Microsoft Word. So I hope you are in class. Oh.
I'm here. I'm watching.
So I want you to watch. I just want you to watch. So so I want you to watch. Now let's visualize. We are going to we are going to see my tools bar. Okay. Now we want to see the the gender uh, and their total sum. So I'm going to select the graph, the suitable graph. I hope you are seeing it. You are seeing what I'm doing.
Yes, I am.
So this is it. And this is the sum. We want to see the students, the gender and their writing score. Okay, now let's see our table, the complete table. Let's see our table. Okay, the table, and we are going to get a gender the sum and the average sum. So this is our table, and we want to see another table again. We want to see another table again. We want to see the gender, the math score, so I hope you are seeing what I'm doing.
Yes, I'm saying it.
So this is our table, and I'm taking time. My battery wants to run down. Taking time to give you some insights of what you are doing. So let's do this count. Let's see the count, the total count of hours to the grader. Okay, the total count of our column index. Okay, the total count of maths, and the total count of, so the total count of the maths and reading, and the total count of writing score. So I believe this is our total count. So we want to see the distinct count, the distinct gender, distinct gender. We want to see the distinct gender, the distinct. Okay, not the distinct. Let's see the count. Mm, okay. Now the good thing is that um, uh, Power BI is more interactive, is responsive. Once you touch the gender, it will over everything about the particular gender. So automatically all graph will be changed. I hope you understand what I'm saying.
Yes, I do.
So now let's see the gender and their mass score. I want to see, okay, I think this explain it better for us. And I want to see um, gender and their reading score, and I want to see gender and their writing score.